My name is Callan and I live in Beaumont, Texas. Marathon Plumbing did a complete bathroom remodel. They replaced the bathtub, the vanity, the faucet, and the toilet. They even redid the piping underneath the foundation to accommodate all of the upgrades we were putting in. The employees of Marathon Plumbing were respectful, they communicated really well, and they cleaned up after themselves. I would recommend Marathon Plumbing to anyone looking for plumbing services because you know you can trust them. They always do very good work. They stand behind what they do and they'll make it right if it's something that isn't 100% right the first time.